Hey up, hope you're alright. It's 5:29 AM and I have just had the most terrifying experience of my life. I'm only still just getting over it. So let me give you a little bit of context of what's happened. Right, I've lived in my van for 2 years, and you know when you see these videos and I got the knock and stuff like that, I've always been, never happened, never gonna happen, never happened to me, never had any scary experiences like that. Not when I've been in my van anyway. I mean, I've had scary experiences, but not when I've been in my van. Anyway, so last night I've come to Sunderland because I'm doing a vlog. My next vlog's going to be about Sunderland. And I found a good place to park up. In fact, what I think is a cracking place, which is out in sticks a little bit. There's not much going on, and I'm on this lane. I was up late doing all my research for my Sunderland video, and I'm thinking, I need to get some sleep, or else I'm going to be shattered in the morning. So got in bed, fallen asleep. Next thing, banging above my head. And you know when something completely, you know what it's like when you're fast asleep and something jolts you so much you don't know what planet you're on. It's like my soul left my body, my heart. So I get so, I'm like, what's that? Who's that? What's going on? I didn't know where I was. And I pulled blind down. That was my first reaction. And there's a bloody face at the window. The most terrifying thing that has ever happened to me. Face up at my window. I'm never going to get that image out of my head. It's giving me goosebumps on the back of my neck now. And then there was some shouting and some banging. I couldn't make out what I was saying because I were all a bit, you know, we're all a bit hazy. And you know when people say, oh, last thing you think of is getting your camera. Well, I thought of getting my bloody camera this time. I thought, I'm getting this. Worst case, it's like evidence, or I can put it in a video, can't I? Because at the end of the day, that's what I do. I'm a YouTuber, I film everything. I'd only got my phone though, so that's where I got it on. Anyway, he's walked away, and I'm thinking, right, it's just some random nutter. And then he's come back and started writing on window. I've still not been out and seen what he's wrote on window. He's banged again, and my instinct was to bang back. I don't know why. Anyway, so that's it. It's all happened, he's gone. I'm safe, but I've got some footage and I'll put it on, and then I'll see you in a bit.
And you see a on the front, you follow with the Britain. You follow, you don't follow with the Britain and on the back. You're not working that one. I'm not the third door. I'm not the private race. I'm not a first is the English footballer. I'm not a reef, I don't know what it means. You see when you put on the dead people who you're supposed to love. Punch that, I've never heard the punch. I've got a new modern technology. You've got fucking stuff like this on there. You're a cameraman, you're shutting out all that.
So I've got some nutter shouting outside van. Get my shoes on. It's still there, look. It's coming back. So I'm just hoping that it'll get fed up and bugger off. So, I'm laid in bed, my hand's shaking, bloody hell. I'm laid in bed with my head up that end, and then there's a massive almighty bang. Absolutely scared the life out of me. I didn't know what I thought it was. I just thought it was some, like it was some drunk or something like that. So I pulled blind down slowly, because I've got CCTV, but they're all like misted up, so you couldn't see anything. I pulled blind down slowly, and there's a bloody face at the window. Then he wrote something up that window. I don't know, I'll have a look at that when it's light. So I've taken my table down, and I've got that, and I've just sat here probably for about 30 minutes listening to him shouting at Van. I was peeking at him through a window, and he sounded very threatening, going on about mental health issues and being stabbed in the head and all stuff like that. So you're thinking, oh God, we've got one here. But I think I don't know, I'm saying I didn't feel as scared as I thought, but I did, probably. But I thought, worst comes to worst, I could get out and confront him. And it was probably one of them people that, you know, during the course of the day, just random nutter just shouting stuff that they're not that scary, but with that situation, because I'd just been shocked like that, my heart's still going. And then I thought I'd get in cab and drive off, but I'm facing wrong way. It's a dead end down there. So that's something to bear in mind in future. But that's the first time in 2 years. That is the first time anything remotely like that has happened. And I'm in the middle of nowhere, like near a farm. Well, you'll see, I don't know if it'll get on this vlog or whatever, you'll see where I am. I'm still not going to be negative about van life or all like that. As I said, it's first time in 2 years this has happened. But I think you should just take a little bit of precautions, like even just little things like thinking about what way you parked so you can get away quick. But I wouldn't have been able to get away that quick because all windows steamed up in it, you know, with condensation. Anyway, I ain't getting back to sleep now. So I would have been knackered. Right, it's moved on, it's gone down there. I don't know if there's some more motorhomes down there that he's shouting at now. I think it's probably pretty harmless. That just freaked me out though, that. I don't know what to do. I don't think I've got enough space to do a U-turn here. I don't know if you can see him at distance. Another van's come and he's buggered off now. I don't know what's going on down there. I think there's some sort of, I don't know, farm or depot or something like that. So, I'm not going to let that put me off van life at all. It's the best thing I've ever done. I absolutely love it. And I don't want it to put you off. It is what it is, isn't it? One thing that's come to mind is that I've seen some alarms. There's these fancy alarms you can get. So, you know, if somebody like touches van, you've seen them, or if they touch your vehicle, it sets an alarm off, or it gives them a warning and then it sets an alarm off. I think I might be getting one of those. Yeah, anyway, that's it. That's this video, little video. My next video is going to be Sunderland. I'm going to be shattered, but hopefully that's going to be alright. As I said, it's an hour and a half and I'm only just coming round after that shock. And that's the worrying thing. A man in my condition, a man of my age, that could have been like, you know, when your heart's pounding, could have given me an heart attack. Seriously, it could have. Never been as scared. But there you go. I'd have had him. Alright. Thanks for watching.